Assalamualaikum and welcome to my YouTube family. In the previous video, I will explain you about the dataset and we will discuss about this London 5 Brigade dataset, and we will discuss all the columns in this dataset. And in this video, we will proceed further. But before starting the video, I will show you I have created a lot of videos for you, and if you see this playlist then you come to know that I have created lot of different video series related Flutter, Android Studio, C++, Resume, and lot of videos are present, and also a course for Python. So if you need any video, you can check my playlist. Okay, so this is the Power BI setup, and I will tell you in the previous video you have to download the Power BI and SQL Workbench. I hope you will download it already. And now I will show you how we can import this dataset, which is in the form of Excel. You will see this is Excel file, and the name of this file is data. And now we import this file in this Power BI. So when you open the Power BI, the first view you will see is something like this, and you will click on this get data, and my file is, and you will see here a lot of options which type of file you want to import. There are a lot of options. You can import the files like all these text, CSV, XML, and any file you want to import, you can import here. Okay, but now I am going to import this Excel file, and I click on this. After that, you will see my file is this is my file. So I click on this data file. I will share you this file in the description. Okay, so you don't need to worry. You just download this Excel file and import in the Power BI. And you will see in that Excel file I have one sheet. If I will show you, you will see here we have only one sheet. So if you have multiple sheets, you can import them, and you will see all the sheets here, so you can import them. But I have only one sheet. I click on this sheet, and you will see here the data is loaded, and now you can load this data. And if you want to change some thing in this data, then you click on transform data. But when we need this transform data, I will show you. This time I am going to click on this load. So you will see this type of loading. Okay, the file is loaded successfully, and you will see here three type of sections. The first one is, you will see report view. Here we create graphs and all that. And the second one is table view. Here we have all the tables, like you will see, and the data like Excel sheet. And in this we create different tables and connect to each other, but you will see here we have only one table, and so that's why here we have only one this box. But if we have different tables, we put them here and make a relation between them. So we have three parts of this visualization Power BI, and if you look at this data, we have the whole Excel sheet here. Like we have the data in the form of in Excel sheet. So this is the same as Excel. And now I will show you the SQL workbench, as we work with both side by side. Okay, so that's why we open both. And when you download this Excel file, software, and then you need to import the same data set which we are working here, which is data. We import same data set in the Excel and in the Power BI and also in the SQL workbench. So now I will show you how you can import the data sheet in this SQL workbench. So when you open this SQL workbench, you will see the setup something like okay, first I close this and then I open it. Okay, so I just close it to show you from this scratch, and now you will see this is MySQL Workbench. I open it, and when you open it, you will see something like that. Okay, and I click on this. You also see this type of setup, so you have to click on it, and when you install it, you put some password at that time, so you have to write that password here. So I put my password and click on this, and you will see this type of setup. Okay, now you have to click on this, which is create a new schema. Okay, when you click on it, you will see this type of layout, and then you have to write the name of your database or schema which you want. Okay, and put the name here, and then click on this apply. When you click on this apply, then you will see the name of the schema here. Okay, I don't create any, I just want to show you. When you create the schema, like I create the schema here, like this London 5 Brigade, Power BI, Sales and after creating the schema, you have to import this Excel data sheet in that schema. So now I will show you how you can import this. Like suppose if you create the schema of like London Fire Brigade, if I open this, you will see the tables. If I open this, and I have these three tables inside this schema, but how you can import the data sheet, I will tell you. The file of this Excel sheet is data. Okay, so remember that the data, the name of this file, and how you can import the data file inside this. You have to right click on this table, and you have to select this table data import, and then you need to browse, and then you select this data sheet, and then you can click on open, and then you need to click on next. Then you can select this. If another column exists of this name, then it removes it. Then click on next, and then when you click on next, you will see it is importing. Okay, so if you see, it is importing the data, and you will see the data is imported. It takes some time because this sheet have almost 1000 rows, 740 rows, and you will see here like 10 to 20 columns, maybe 20. So it takes some time, and after that it is executed successfully. Okay, and now I will show you the coding procedure and the process. First I remove these from here, and you click on this new query tab, and here we write all the queries. Okay, now what we are going to do here, we create some graph and tables here, and then we validate the data, the resultant data, by using this SQL. So we learn this SQL side by side. We also learn the Power BI. Okay, so we are going to work with both. And if you look at this graph report view, you will see this type of view. Here you can see that we have a lot of graphs we can make, and if you see here, this is the sheet which we import from here. So this is the sheet, and if I expand this sheet, we have all the tables, and you will see we have all the tables. Okay, so first of all, you will see this type of data set, and in this type of data set you will see that these are the incidents group. Like the incident group are of three types: the fire alarm, false alarm, and special services. And if I scroll down, you will see in this whole column we only have three types of incident group. Okay, so you will see we have only three types of incident group. And now here is incident group, and if I scroll and put here, and it is loaded, and now you will see here we have only three types of incident group. And if you want to increase the size, you have different types of formatting. And if you click on this format, you can search here, like I want to increase this font, the font of text. So I click on this, and you will see the size of the text is increased. And here you have a lot of options like general, visual, and you can use these options. Okay, so now we have this table, and now you will see here we have column which is hour of call. Basically this column means when someone calls to register an incident. When the incident happens, someone calls to register that incident. So the time, the hour it takes, like maybe someone call and it takes 10 minutes, 20 minutes, someone maybe takes 1 hour, like all that. Okay, now here I want to see the overall time which each of these incidents take to register this incident, like how many time, how many hours the fall alarm takes, how many hours fire take. For that, you can see we have this hour of call. You just need to put this here, and it calculates all the time. So the hour of call, the false alarm take is 4,867, like this is for file and this is for special services and this is the total, and we get this inside. Like the more time, the more hour of call which takes is by false alarm, and after that the special services, and then file. As the file is actual, like this is the incident which is actual happen, like the incident which is happen when the file exists. Otherwise this is due to the false alarm, like like the file does not exist. The alarm and the alarm is registered wrong. Like we have the alarms in our home in different areas. Like let's suppose that you are cooking or making something, and the false alarm will ringing. So obviously it is the wrong false alarm, because we are making the hungry and anything, and there is no fire, but due to the smoke of the fire or making something, the alarm ringing. So basically the thing is the alarm is ringing, and maybe when someone listened to that alarm, he registered the incident and he make a call, so something like that. Okay, so now I am going to do this same measurement, which is sum of hours of call in the SQL. And first of all, my data is present inside maybe this Power BI, and no, there is no data file. So yeah, maybe tutorial, and yes, this is our data. So first of all, I am going to select all the data. Select all data. Tutorial.data, and I am going to run this query, and you will see here is the data. Okay, and now you know that we use a group by function to group something. Like we have three groups: file, false alarm, and special services. So we are using a group by. So the query is something like this, where we select the incident group from tutorial data and group by incident group. Now just run this query, and you will see here we have these three groups. We make this column as a group. Okay, so now in the next video I will show you how you can produce this type of work in the SQL. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.